Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Math Path, and today we're going to do some advanced level questions for finding the area of the triangle. So if we look at the first question, it says in a triangle PQR, PQ is 8, QR is 7, and the area of the triangle is given as 17 centimeters square. Calculate two possible values of angle PQR. So first, let's draw a triangle, a right angle triangle. PQR. This is 8. This is 7. We don't know what this is, but we know the area, which is 17 centimeters square. So since it's a non-right angle triangle, the formula that we'll be using is 1/2 times AB sine of angle C. So in this case, A is going to be 8, B is going to be 7, and C is going to be angle Q. Because for this formula to be applicable, we need two lengths and the angle. Next, what we do is we cross multiply, take sine to the other side and write it as inverse and make angle subject. So we plug this in the calculator, which gives us divided by 7 and then sine inverse 0.607. That gives us 37.4 degrees. So it says give two possible values. So one angle can be 37.4 and your other angle can be 180 minus 37.4, which will give us 142.6 degrees. That is your answer. Then if we look at question 2, part A says calculate the area of the triangle PQR. So once again, we're going to use the same formula. And it's going to be 1/2 times 2.8 times 8.3 times sine of 79. We will plug this in the calculator. So that's going to be 20 times 8.3 times sine of 79. Divide the result by 2. 11.4 centimeters square is our area. Part B says the triangle PQR is enlarged by scale factor 4.5. Calculate the area of the enlarged triangle. So now what's happening is that the entire triangle is enlarged by scale factor 4.5. So when you talk about increasing like changing the area of a triangle based on like the scale factor, like for example, if the shape is enlarged by scale factor. So how the area will change is based on the scale factor. And what we'll do is we will multiply the area by the square of the scale factor. In case you were talking about the volume, then what you would do is you would multiply the volume by the cube of the scale factor. So when we multiply 11.4 by the square of 4.5, we get 230.85 centimeters square. That is the answer. Then if we move on to question 3, it says calculate the length of AC. So we have an isosceles triangle and we've been given one angle and we've been given the area. So as we know, for us to apply the area of triangle formula for a non-right angle triangle, we need two lengths and the angle between them. So if we call this x and x, because once again, isosceles, so the lengths have the same measurement. 1/2 times x times sine of 110 is equals to 85. And y equals to x squared over 2 times sine of 110. Cross multiply divided by sine 110, that we can make x within square root actually. So now we have x as the subject. So what I'm doing is I'm doing like everything in just one step, but you can break it down and do it step by step as well. You can begin with multiplying it 85 by 2 first, and then dividing the result by 510, and then square rooting whatever you get after dividing terms. So in this case, 85 times 2 divided by sine 110, and then square root 180.1, it is 13.5. This is also what AC is. Question 4 says we have to calculate the angle CAB, which is, we have BC, we have BA, we have angle C. So if you remember the sine rule was applicable when you had like one complete set of angle and length, which in this case we have angle C and we have length. We have length A, but since we want to find angle A, we can easily use the sine rule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 over sine of theta, or let's just write it as angle A. Angle A equals to 6 over sine 65 cross multiply. So 4 times sine 65 divided by 6 equals to sine. So let's find the value of 4 sine 65 divided by 6 to 0.604. So sine inverse of 0.6042, which is 37.2 degrees A. Then part B is saying the area of the triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC would be 1/2 times 4 times 6, and we need this angle. So first we need to find angle B. So angle B is going to be 180. Angle CBA is going to be 180 minus 37.2 minus 65. So that gives us that is 77.8. So over here we do times sine of 77.8. 4 times 6 times sine 77.8 divided by 2, 11.7. 20. That is your answer. If you have any questions or confusions about any of these, let me know in the comments below and I'll help you out.